Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 8th to 12th September 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD pair on Friday. So as you can see in gold, 1.15% positive move, 3586.65 was the closing on Friday. So now we will be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be sharing some important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart. Here in this weekly chart, we can see a good bullish candle that is with a big body and a small lower and a small upper wick. Currently, our stochastic RSI is around 50 to 34 range, and our stochastic RSI is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So this is a 1-day chart. Let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon, because I make such weekly analysis video on the forex analysis, as well as I'll be sharing some crypto analysis on the coming week. So do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos or notifications. So here I have marked some important support zone and resistance zone. So let's now talk about the closing. So we can see 3586.65 was the closing. Here the direct support is 3577 and direct resistance is 3599. Here after direct support there is a support of 3561 and then 3540. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 3620 and then 3640. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, I have shared 20% discount coupon code for the prop firm links with the prop firm links, so that you can get a 20% discount on any challenges that you buy. So now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative closing for this week. I'm expecting a closing in this range, that is 3561 to 3577. I'm expecting a closing in this. But if you're going for any long trade, then go for a long trade when 35.99 gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed above this level, then we can go for a target till 36.21. According to previous week move, my expectation is a bit negative. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.